In this video, I'm going to convert ginger and honey into a tasty cocktail. So let's mix this one. This is a shaken cocktail, so we're going to take a cocktail shaker, add 3/4 slices of fresh ginger. We're going to give it a slight muddle so that the juices of ginger comes out. Freshly squeezed Nibu ka ras, and that's honey water. Honey water is actually 1:1 ratio of honey to hot water. This drink calls for a Scotch whiskey because it needs that smoky touch. Add ice. Now you already know it. Add ice, shake it nice. Now we're going to strain this into an old-fashioned glass with ice block and garnish this with a slice of fresh ginger. You can also add a magic touch to this drink and impress your friends. Take a bottle like this, which is a spray bottle. What I've done, I have filled this with a smoky whiskey like Lefroy or Lagavulin, and now it's gonna spray on the top. This smells so good. And that's your easy to fix kitchen cocktail using ginger and honey with a combination of whiskey. It's a modern classic cocktail called penicillin and it's famous all across the globe. It's a drink that I have made for all whiskey lover friends and they have really loved it. Tag your whiskey drinking buddies in the comments below. Cheers.